What's up guys, today's video's on the top 5 best drone with 4K HD camera 2022, that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you would like to see more details on these products and the updated prices, please check out the description below and be sure to subscribe to get more reviews. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 is the cream of the crop in terms of DJI's consumer-focused iconic Phantom drones. Solid flight time, good range, and a decent 4K camera make this large and powerful airframe ideal for many pilots. That said, the Phantom series has not seen an update in a while, and we have no reason to expect that DJI will release an update anytime soon. The Mavic series is producing comparable camera quality in drones that are far smaller and easier to transport. Should I buy the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0? If you need a powerful drone to haul a decent payload, yes, the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 is a worthy purchase, but if all you want is a capable camera drone, have a look at the Mavic drones instead. Number 4. DJI Mavic 3 is the latest and most advanced drone from DJI, and it's also one of the best 4K drones on the market. This impressive drone comes with a host of features that make it easy to fly and capture amazing video footage, including a 3-axis motorized gimbal for stable footage and 4K recording capabilities. The Mavic 3 also comes with a number of intelligent flight modes that make capturing professional quality video content easier than ever before, even if you have no experience flying drones before. It is one of the most powerful drones on the list, with some high speed and a flight range of 18.6 miles. The icing on the cake is the addition of 8 GB internal storage, which will come in handy if you want to store your footage locally instead of having to stream it live. This drone is not limited to 4K, but it can also record video in 5.1K, and it has a panorama mode, which is quite impressive for such a small and compact UAV. The camera quality of this drone is amazing, and the speed of this drone is the cherry on the top. The DJI Mavic 3 comes with an affordable price tag that makes it accessible to most people interested in buying a drone, but the one downside is that its sensors are not accurate enough. This means that you will have to fly at your own risk, as some users have reported some serious stability issues due to this problem with the sensor. DJI Mavic 3 comes with the longest flight time in the price segment, but the batteries do take more time to charge. It can fly for as long as 46 minutes on a single charge, which is more than enough time to capture stunning aerial footage. Overall, the DJI Mavic 3 is an incredible drone that offers something for everyone, whether you're a professional videographer or just someone who wants to take amazing aerial photos and videos. It's powerful, easy to fly, and comes with a host of features that make capturing incredible video content easier than ever before. The only downside is the inaccuracy of its sensors. Number 3. Pilots looking for a smaller drone to take aerial travel photography and videos will enjoy the DJI Mini 2. Its foldable design means it's easily transportable, while its intelligent flight modes make taking professional quality shots possible even for beginners. The 4K 12MP camera is mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, which provides stabilization and prevents shakes and judders in your footage. This ensures that your video remains smooth even when you're flying quickly or maneuvering the drone around obstacles. The Mini 2 has a top speed of 35 miles per hour and a flight range of 6.2 miles, so you'll be able to explore a lot of territory with this little guy. And with a 31-minute flight time, you'll get plenty of exploring done without having to worry about getting the drone back to its takeoff point. Flight modes include Active Track and Tap Fly, which lets you track and follow moving objects while keeping them in the frame, perfect for recording sports. The Return to Home function can bring your drone safely back to you with the tap of a button, and its low voltage and low battery warning functions will help you avoid losing your drone or running out of power mid-flight. The best feature of the DJI Mini 2 is that it can be folded up into a compact, easily transportable size. Simply unfold it when you want to take it flying, and fold it back up when you're done. This is perfect for pilots who wish to take their drone with them wherever they go. Overall, the DJI Mini 2 is a high-quality drone that's perfect for advanced pilots looking for a smaller option to take aerial travel photography and videos. Number 2. Dji Fpv Drone has created an entry point for FPV flying. It has also shaken up the more traditional offerings from DJI by allowing those who have never flown FPV before to dive right in without needing to build a custom drone or learn specialized piloting skills. Its hybrid design makes it great for both cinematic FPV flying or racing. With a 4K super wide camera and rock-steady stabilization, action-packed footage has never looked so good. The optional motion controller redefines the flying experience by giving the pilot real-time control and feedback within a simple hand movement. The new audience mode allows others with FPV goggles to watch your flight in real time. Number 1. Dji R2s Drone is the perfect drone for anyone looking for a high-quality aerial photography and videography experience. This is one of the most advanced drones on the market, and it is able to capture stunning 4K resolution footage with incredible detail and clarity. It also comes with a 3-axis gimbal, which ensures that your videos are stable and smooth, even when you are flying in turbulent weather conditions. The drone also has a top speed of 42 miles per hour, which means that you can get some really epic shots while it is in flight, but it also means that you'll have to be careful not to lose sight of it in open fields. It is a lightweight drone, so it's easy to carry around. It also comes with a controller that has an LCD screen, which makes flying it even easier and more intuitive than ever before. It can record video at 4K resolution and also at 5.4K and take 20 megapixel photos, making it one of the most advanced photography drones on the market today. However, the DJI R2s drone is not cheap, and it will set you back a few $1,000s. But if you are looking for the best of the best, then this is the drone for you. The DJI R2s drone also offers an impressive 11.5 miles of flight range, so you can explore more locations without having to worry about losing connection to the drone. Finally, it has a flight time of 31 minutes, which is plenty of time to capture all the footage and photos you need. DJI R2s drone is one of the most expensive drones on the market, but if you are looking for professional quality 4K footage, this drone is worth every penny. No other drone offers this level of flight control or video recording technology at the same price range. Overall, the DJI R2s drone is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality 4K drone that offers amazing features and performance. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.